Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another day. Every time I watch the news, they're always talking about global warming. Global warming. We need to protect the earth from global warming. Global warming. But I'm here to tell you that it is not the earth, it's the sun that is getting hotter and hotter and hotter. The sun is getting hotter. The sun is getting hotter. A lot of people is like, well, the sun is hot. I mean, look at how much. Look at the sun is getting hot. I'm like, the sun is always going to be hot, but the sun is getting hotter and hotter. That's why the earth is getting warmer. That is why all the ice capsules are melting. That is why Antarctica is melting. Alaska, the North Pole is melting because the sun is getting hotter. Solar flares, solar storms are increasing. The solar storms are increasing. And it's going to get to the point to where it's going to be a solar storm that's going to knock out all the electricity on planet Earth. Potentially. I'm not trying to predict the future, but I do know that it is going to have an impact on all of the electricity, all of the power that is on the planet, meaning that if all the power were to shut down just like that, everything is shut down. The banks, money, cryptocurrency, every form of digital currency, transactions, everything is just going to shut down. Unless you use paper money or you go back to using silver and gold as a form of currency, but everything is just going to shut down. No more internet, none of that. None of that. So make sure if you are a person who is sensitive to the sun rays, you better get some sunblock and plenty of it. Stock up on sunblock. Get you some sunblock spray. Because if you are not a sun person, if you don't do well in the sunlight, what you want to do is get some sunblock and spray yourself. Stock up on sunblock. I remember when COVID first kicked off, everybody was stocking up on toilet paper. That didn't make no sense to me. And to this day, I still don't understand why everybody purchased toilet paper. The pandemic is making people sick, but everybody want to buy toilet paper to wipe their behinds, because that's the first thing you think of during a pandemic is, I gotta get toilet paper. I gotta get toilet paper. And I remember walking through the store and I've seen people with shopping carts full of toilet paper. Not water, not food, but toilet paper and paper towel and baby wipes. That is really weird. Fast forward to year 2020. A lot of people they're breaking the news about this sun flare that's going to happen. Some people are going to take heed and do what they need to do. Other people, they're not. Some people are going to prepare and some people are not. But it's up to you what you choose to do with the information that is provided. It is up to you to make the plan and to make those choices. But I'm here to say that the sun is going to start flaring up and start taking pictures. The sun is going to take pictures, solar flare pictures of the earth and everything else around it. And it's going to be very, very warm on the planet Earth. So if you don't like summertime, get prepared. If you don't like sunlight, get prepared. I mean hot. You don't understand how hot the earth is going to get. Hot to the point to where you walk outside, you just melt. Melt. You're going to melt. Some people just going to melt. Their skin won't be able to handle it, bro. I'm talking about over 120 degrees. Over 120 degrees. And not just the heat alone, but it's going to have an impact on the Earth's magnetic field. It's going to have an impact on everything. It's going to change the way that people live their lives on this planet. So just be prepared and just be ready. If you are one of those preppers, doomsday preppers, then you are prepared. You are ready. But if you're not a doomsday prepper type person and you just like whatever happens, happens, that is a very big mistake. That is a very, very big mistake to say that, because whatever happens, happens. If you end up in that situation, or if you end up in a certain situation, in your mind, you're going to be thinking of survival. You're going to be in survival mode. See, right now, you're not in survival mode. You're only thinking of today. But you have to think of tomorrow. You have to prepare for tomorrow. So get ready. Everybody on planet Earth needs to get ready for the things that are about to take place on this planet. Everybody needs to get ready, and everybody needs to be prepared for the solar flare, solar storm disaster. Because it's going to be a solar disaster. The Earth is going to go through a solar disaster. Do you understand? Solar disaster. Flares of balls of electricity, flares, balls of power. Just, man. Y'all better drink some water. You better drink some water and get you some sunblock and be ready. Because the sun is about to go crazy. The sun is about to go crazy. Okay? And I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it at that. There's other things that I want to talk about, but I'm going to save that for the next video. About the whole orbit, the planets, the solar system. I'm going to save that for later. Right now, I'm going to leave you with this information. Be prepared for the solar storms that are coming to planet Earth. It's not going to come to the Earth, but it's going to have an impact on planet Earth. A huge impact on planet Earth. Just be prepared, people. Just be prepared.